So we decided there might have been a little bit of wind up here from old Ian. That's my hand. Oh yeah, I took not a lot of stuff down, but I mean, which one's this? This is the slacks overlook. Elevation 2,800 feet. So a little bit of stuff came down. It looks like. I think we're on the back side of it right now. It's Sunday at 10:03 a.m.
We are Vikings.
We are Vikings. We stand up tall. But yeah, looks like some wind must have. I mean, nothing big, just dead limbs. I'm filming because Tara said she's too short to see over the dashboard.
Thanks.
Do you have your seat cranked up?
No, because it feels odd.
Odd?
Yeah, because then my feet aren't touching the floor.
Sorry, that was not funny.
Shut up.
Tara has a vertical problem.
Vertically challenged.
Don't look at my cracked windshield.
You're like, man, how long have you been doing this channel? You still haven't got that windshield fixed?
It costs money, and I like spending money. The Kmart warehouse does not pay me enough.
Right.
Okay, they do, but it's not. Never mind. So here we are driving. I'm filming while you're driving, by the way, everybody. Because Tara says she's too short.
Just to see where the ground was.
But you can see foliage just starting here and there. Maybe everywhere. I'm not even watching the camera, watching where I drive. Let's watch this way to drive. I think we got another overlook coming up here in a second. I don't think they said the rain's supposed to stop until, what, tomorrow?
Yeah, I think.
But we needed it very, very badly.
True.
Yeah, we're guessing this is probably the back side of it. So. But yeah, oh yeah, look up here. Now that we're, what are we, basically 3,500 feet. It's really, the foliage is really starting to. Nothing like New Hampshire, we can say that. They ain't gonna get foliage like New Hampshire does. Usually you guys see this on the bike. We don't really ever. We took this up here the winter time. We drove here. But yeah. Yeah, maybe Tara can take over and film now. There she goes. Should get some good. So depth's 50 up here, is 55 down at the bottom.
See, I can see over the dash. I just can't see like right in front of the vehicle over the dash where you wanted me to film.
What's it called?
The dash.
No, what are we in?
The Blueridge Parkway.
No, what are we in, driving in?
Bronco?
A vehicle?
Yeah, a vehicle. What's wrong with a vehicle?
You mean a vehicle?
A vehicle. What's wrong with it?
I love that you pronounce the H.
I don't get it. Do you get it?
I get it. Y'all hear her saying vehicle? I call it a vehicle.
Please comment below and explain what he means, because I don't get it.
Vehicle.
Vehicle. I said the same thing.
No, you don't. Oh, look, a minivan. Vehicle, not vehicle.
That's what it says, vehicle.
No, it doesn't. Lordy be. Oh, she's silly.
Maybe I'll take him out to lunch later.
What? She's teasing. She ain't gonna do that.
Really?
Let's see. Here's another overlook, I think. Is it? Is it? Tease.
We're not here in the, should I cut it for a minute?
Babe, it's gonna be that waterfall. It's on this side of the road that we go to, that we have the really cool pictures of, that you need to post. In the summertime, we took that, remember?
Yeah.
Remember? Whee! Yeah, that's probably pretty over that way. Oh, wow. It's like you can see the sheets of rain. I'm sure you can't see it on camera, but oh, it's like it's cutting into the fog. Kind of neat.
You know, along the scenic route, you could replay that song.
I could.
Yeah.
But it's really loud.
Well, you don't have to turn it that loud if you don't want to.
Why is it not? chuck wagon go by us. Boy, it is foggy, huh? Look at the wind. Holy moly. Look at the sheets of rain.
Ravens in the sky.
It's insanity.
King shall deceive.
Direction we're going northwest, so it's coming up from the south. That's really neat. Please don't let a big dead limb fall on us, that'll suck.
Quarter-mile, slight left toward Blueridge Parkway.
Yeah, it looks like we went the wrong way back here.
Well, we didn't.
I don't know.
We're gonna go slight left. We're gonna drive off the mountain.
Slight left toward Blueridge Parkway, then sharp right onto Blueridge Parkway.
It's saying to turn
It wants us
around.
to drive off the mountain.
I think it wants us to turn around.
Why would it want us to do that?
Sharp right onto Blueridge Parkway.
I think you're right. We'll go to that normal waterfall we go to. And then
Okay.
just turn that off so we can go back.
Okay.
Oh, I wonder if it was, you know, we turned. I
Definitely.
wonder if you want us to go down over, like you're heading toward,
I'm pretty sure that's where.
wow, that was a big thing, huh? Holy cow. Anyway, we like that kind of music.
Yeah, and if we want it in our videos, we can play it while we're going in the Bronco.
Why can't we play it in the Ford Exploder?
Oh, we could.
Here you go, here you go, here you go.
Oh, it sounds way
Idea.
better than that.
Or is that just a lump of grass? Oh goodness, I need my eyeballs checked. We may see some. I doubt they're really going to be on the rain, but we may see some.